Hey guys, I am going to fix homemade spaghetti. My versions are different every time I fix them. So let me show you what I've done. I have sauteed 2 pounds of ground sirloin. Now I'm doing this in my Instapot. You can do it on top of the stove. I put it on saute first and browned my meat, and now I have it on slow cook. I drained the sirloin, and as you can see, this is how much I got out of 2 pounds. Quite a bit, isn't it? I'm going to start adding my ingredients. I sliced, diced, and just chopped a medium onion. I put that in. I'm going to let that go saute just a little bit. As you can see, they've cooked down a little bit, and I am going to add some organic garlic, just a teaspoon of minced garlic. Next, I'm going to do 2 cans of tomatoes diced, and these are the Publix brand, and this has garlic in it as well, but it's roasted garlic, 2 cans. And I'm going to stir that up. Sorry about the camera. I'm going to stir that up and get that mixed well, and I'll be right back. Okay, next I'm doing 1 can of tomato, garlic, and onion sauce from Publix. I'll add that. Next, I am going to add some vodka sauce. And you can do it of any brand you want to, but I'm putting that in next. I'm going to cook this on slow in my Instapot. You can do it on top of the stove. You don't have to use it in Instapot. But I'm going to put it on slow cook for about 3-4 hours and let that cook. About an hour beforehand it's done, I'm going to put about, this is probably 8 ounces, so half a pound of white mushrooms. Put that in, and I'll be back at that point to show you what when I put that in. Okay, it's cooking away. I just wanted to come back and show you that I've got this top for my Instapot. So it shows you can do it on top of the stove, this recipe. This has a little venting hole. Oh, let me get my camera. A venting hole there for an Instant Pot. So I'm just got it on slow cook, and it's just going to cook away. I might put it up on slow cook, might a little bit more like higher or later. Let me just see how it goes. But right now I've got it on for another 3 hours. I think that's going to work, and then I'll put those mushrooms in. Guys, here's the end of it. It is spaghetti sauce. I just threw those fresh mushrooms on the top. We're getting ready to eat it. Hope you enjoy this recipe. Don't forget to give a smile. If you do, you might get one back. And remember, be kind. Be kinder than they are. And don't forget to try this recipe. Until later.